Hi, I'm Nick Holmes and you join me today for a quick demonstration of QC6 surface reinstatement concrete. Part of our range of high specification concretes, QC6 is an unshrink concrete designed for the surface reinstatement of picture frames or fillets around access covers and surface areas around street ironwork. For today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to apply QC6 around a water boundary box. First of all, mix QC6 with 2.75 litres of water until you have a stiff, slump-free consistency. Apply QC6 over a pre-soaked prepared area to a minimum of 10 ml and a maximum of 100 ml within 4 minutes. Firm well into position using a float, paying particular attention to edges and any thin sections. Level up to the surface and finish using a steel float or trowel to close up the surface and seal the edges. QC6 has excellent workability and sets in just 15 minutes, making it very difficult to damage and therefore limiting asset liability.